Hello everybody, welcome back to Aldo. For today's episode, I am going to show you how to add darts on bodice pattern or directly on the garment. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. So I placed the pattern right on top of the fabric. As you can see, the fold is right here and I'm just going to pin it to secure. Just be sure that the stretch is going this way. Then I am going to cut it out. I will be adding 1/4 inch seam allowances on all sides except for the fold. I will repeat the same process onto the back bodice. If you want to learn how to make your own bodice pattern block, I am going to have the link in the description box below or on the info card up here. Now I have front bodice and back bodices right here. Now it's time to add darts onto the fabrics. So I will fold it in half, just like this. You can actually trace it onto your pattern. Now I am going to mark the apex. The apex is the highest point of your bust. So starting from the top, measure it down to your waistline. Then measure your apex from point A to B and divide it into two. Now I am going to measure the apex down to the waistline, so it is roughly about 6 inches. That number may vary because obviously we all have different body types. I'm going to mark 1/2 inch on both sides of the dart. And then you are going to repeat the same process onto the other side of the fabric because you want it to be symmetrical. And then you're just going to pinch it just like this and pin it to secure. And that will give your bodice a shape. And you're going to repeat the same process onto the back bodice. The darts for the back is a little shorter than the front. I'm going to measure in about 5 inches. And then add 1/2 inch on both sides. And then do the same thing on the other side of the fabric. Pinch it together and secure it with a pin. I like to start sewing from the waistline up to the apex. And you will repeat the same process onto the rest of the darts. Don't forget to knot the threads so the darts will not unravel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial is very helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye!